Welcome to our kitchen. This is where we cook delicious food together.
Wow, the kitchen is clean and beautiful.
These are our fresh ingredients.
The vegetables look fresh.
Fresh ingredients make delicious food. Please put the vegetables on the cutting board.
Yes, chef, the cutting board is clean.
Excellent. A clean cutting board is important. This knife is very sharp.
I will hold the knife carefully.
Very good. Safety comes first. This is the kitchen sink.
The sink is clean.
Always keep the sink clean. Please wash the vegetables with clean water.
I am washing them now.
Clean vegetables make healthy meals. Put the vegetables into the bowl.
The bowl is big.
Excellent. Now we can mix. Use the spoon to mix.
I am using the spoon.
Slow and gentle. This is a fork.
Can I use the fork?
Yes, please taste the food. Place the food on the plate.
The plate looks beautiful.
Beautiful food makes customers happy. Turn on the stove.
The stove is ready.
Excellent. Now we can cook. This pot is very hot.
The soup smells delicious.
Be careful near the pot. Turn on the stove.
The stove is ready.
This is a frying pan.
The pan is clean.
Now, put the pan on the stove. Add a little butter to the pan.
The butter is melting.
Butter gives the food a rich flavor. Add the garlic now.
The garlic smells wonderful.
Garlic makes the dish more delicious. Now, add the chopped onion.
The onion smells sweet.
Cook the onion until it is soft. Put the chopped tomatoes into the pan.
The tomatoes are fresh and red.
They make the sauce bright and tasty. Add a little salt.
Just a small pinch?
Yes, too much salt changes the taste. Add a little black pepper.
It smells spicy.
Pepper gives the dish more flavor.
Wow, it smells so good!
Now, add the fresh herbs.
The herbs smell fresh.
Fresh herbs make the dish colorful. Mix all the ingredients.
Everything looks colorful.
Good mixing gives even flavor. Look at the blue flame.
The flame is small.
A small flame cooks slowly. Stir the sauce slowly.
I am stirring carefully.
Slow stirring keeps it smooth. Let the sauce boil.
The sauce is bubbling.
Boiling brings out the flavor. Now fry the chicken.
It smells delicious.
Cook both sides until golden. Let it simmer gently.
The sauce looks thick.
Slow cooking makes it tender. Please taste the sauce.
It tastes wonderful.
Excellent. The flavor is perfect. The sauce is ready.
It looks rich and smooth.
Our signature sauce is special. Add the chicken to the sauce.
The chicken is tender.
Now our signature dish is almost ready. Let's serve the rice first.
The rice is soft and hot.
Perfect rice makes every meal better. Now, garnish the dish.
The herbs look beautiful.
A good garnish adds color. Please serve the customer.
I will serve with a smile.
Excellent service is important.
Here is your meal. Thank you very much.
A happy customer comes back.
This meal is delicious. Thank you.
Our hard work paid off. Excellent work today.
I learned so much.
Keep practicing every day. This is our special recipe.
I will remember every step.
A good recipe needs practice. This is our signature dish.
It looks amazing.
Every detail shows love and care. Congratulations, Emma!
Thank you, Chef.
You are becoming a great chef. Today, you learned many kitchen words.
Practice English every day. See you next time. Happy cooking!